You believe in me, they say that I'm too small to get too far. But someday I'll be a big rock star. I might be just an ant, and people say I can't, but I can. I've got a dream, I've got a dream, and I've got a song, and you can sing along with me. It's all because of you, sweet bee, 'cause you believe in me. I've got a dream, you believe in me. I've got a dream. Just give this hand a chance to make the whole world dance. I know if only they could see just a little bit of what you see in me. If they could hear me play, I'd be the first hand, be the first hand in the Hall of Fame. I've got a dream, I've got a dream, I've got a song that you can sing along with me. It's all because of you, sweet bee, 'cause you believe in me. You believe in me. I'm just a bird, and I need some love. So please don't sweep me under the rug. Well, it all went down at the picnic ground. I was an uninvited guest when a big mean dude wearing big black shoes nearly laid this aunt to rest. I said, please, mister, please don't step on me. You don't know what this bug can do. You got nothing to lose. Put me up on that shoe and I'll rock your barbecue. I've got a dream, I've got a dream, and I've got a song